Hi, Brian Bachland here from MarineMax Clearwater. Today with a video walkthrough of a 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This boat is a very clean and crisp look with the white hull sides and stainless rub rail. We do have an electric windlass and freshwater washdown up in the bow. Moving back, we'll see the white sports tower with blue bimini. Let's step aboard and take a look. You'll notice it's powered by a all-new Mercury 300 Verado 4-stroke outboard. Naturally aspirated V8, very smooth and quiet performance. Sea deck along the swim platform and entry. Rear sun pad area with a huge amount of storage underneath that'll be shot in the pictures. Easy boarding through the transom, another freshwater washdown. We have a cooler integrated so you don't have to go all the way in the boat to get a beverage. You're hanging out at the sandbar. Another boarding step. Now we're greeted by the very spacious seating in the cockpit. We do have removable cockpit and bow tables that are able to be inserted or stowed away. Both the backrests for the captain's and passengers' seating do flip forward for rear-facing lounging. Infinity woven vinyl carpet, very easy on the feet. Over on the port side, we'll have the head with stainless sink. This is a pump out head as well. Over in the helm, we'll see this has the 9-inch Simrad digital dash. Very comfortable helm seating with flip up bolster. All digital controls, trim tabs, Fusion Bluetooth stereo and speakers. And we'll finish off with a very spacious and comfortable bow seating area, again with a removable table that is optioned on this boat. Anchor windlass. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others we have in our inventory, give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. You can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, see this boat in person, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks, hope to see you soon.